Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to wear a hijab in two methods. If you like the videos, be sure give it a like by subscribe to the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, I will attach with the hijab by sitting, and you can see I have wearing inner cap inside, attaching sitting like this. So I have applied sitting with hijab. Now I will hit the top of the head tightly like this, pin attaching tightly, and then I will take this part of hijab upwards and attaching hairpin. Now I will move this part to the top of like this. Now I will hit another sitting hair, this sitting, and you can button up any festival you want. Like this is my final look. And this was the first simple hijab tutorial. Now I will show you wearing another hijab. So this inside inner cup, and I have kept one part on this hijab is small and the other part is big. Now I will take the big part up like this, and I will add a sitting hair. Otherwise you can in this part lift the opposite side apart. Now I am fixing the part of the random hijab like this. See how beautiful I look now. Now I am going to add it sitting on the part of my finger that I have converted underneath like this. So I have added sitting in both the part, and you can see the back part is covered. Now I will cover this part above. For that I will put the back hijab towards the front look, and I will combine a sitting with a hijab like I touching this sitting. Then I took a sassy of beautiful slave button look. Although it is a optional if you want this, but putting it on will make your hijab look more beautiful. So today's video is so far all will be all. Allah Hafiz.